At rupees 1250, you are getting pure cotton malmal print, discharge print. I will show you many sarees of pure cotton malmal along with a blouse piece, and the price is only 1250, free shipping. See, this is Rani color, ochre yellow body. It's actually not ochre yellow, it's a combination of ochre and mustard yellow. Very different color combination. I will show you the draping view of one sari. Just see, these all are pure malmal cotton with discharge print, palla, and here comes the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece along with the sari. You are getting a blouse piece like this, and the price is only 1250 with free shipping. Number 2, these are very comfortable for this summer. Even I am also wearing, just see, I am also wearing a cotton malmal sari, but my sari is on white base. Today what I am showing you all are colored base, and these are discharge print which we use for printing silk. This is the discharge print. Just see, entire design. It's chocolate combination, chocolate with green combination. Very comfortable for regular wear. Just see, and soft also. And the price, the most interesting part is the price, which is only 1250. All the sarees having a contrast blouse piece. Just see, this is the blouse piece along with the sari. Moving to the next one, requesting all of you to put some comments. How do you like the sarees? Put some for this summer, and it's very budget friendly sarees. This one is Rani with green combination. These are malmal, pure malmal. Those who are asking for soft sarees, not cotton, Bengal cotton, because Bengal cotton needs starch and it's a little bit hard also. For them, these are very soft and comfortable. Just see the pleats also, palla. Here comes the blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. Number 4, it's a Rani with yellow combination. All are very bright and colorful, but all the sarees having a blouse piece, and all are discharge print with different color combination. Just see, this is the entire look. It looks like a silk, but the material is malmal, pure cotton malmal, and the price is only 1250. At this range you are getting such a lovely sari. Just grab it. This is the blouse piece, sari number 4. This is sari number 4, 1250. Now another color, grey with Rani. See the palla part. This is the palla part. Here comes the body. Body is grey. For regular use, you can wear these sarees with a comfort. These all are very comfortable material, pure malmal. People are asking for malmal for this summer. And here comes the blouse piece. All are having a contrast blouse piece. Mostly all the sarees having a contrast blouse piece, and all over the saree this type of discharge print. And the falls are also very nice. Price is only 1250 with free shipping. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the saree through courier. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. And please put, those who are taking the sarees on regular basis or for the first time or sometimes, please put the feedback. Your feedback is very essential for us. Please put the feedback. This is another one, green with Rani combination. Just see, it looks very pretty and it looks like silk, but the material is pure cotton malmal at a price of rupees 1250. Here comes the blouse piece. Moving to the next one, the black. The black is just wow sari. This is the palla part. See the color combination, These all are discharge print on Malmal. Price is 1250. Price is 1250. Just have a look. This is the entire look of the sari. Price is 1250. And along with this sari also you are getting a contrast blouse piece. Moving to the next one, requesting all of you to put some comments and to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Shipping is free all over India. While booking, please send me the screenshot. This is another one, chocolate with yellow, with ochre yellow. Chocolate with ochre yellow. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. For any query, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my number. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Now moving to the next one, it's maroon with yellow. It's not, it is reddish maroon with yellow. See the entire design. Just look at the entire design. It looks like a silk print because all are discharge print on Malmal material. Pure cotton, 100 by 100 cotton material. This is the look, and here comes the blouse piece. For this summer, these are very comfortable, and those who wear saris for every day, they can take it. This is another one. This one with a single color all over the body. There is no contrast border, but look at the border. It looks like just a silk, printed silk. Price is same, 1250. 1250 is the price of this sari. Pure cotton Malmal block print. This is the palla, and here comes the blouse piece. Moving to the next one, turquoise blue. This is turquoise blue, palla part. In this sari also you won't get any contrast border or blouse piece. It is with a single color. See, this is the look. This is the entire look of the sari. Price is 1250. Here comes the blouse piece. Here comes the blouse piece. The colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. For any query, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my number. Booking number is 9330866384. This is another one, blue with tomato red. This one is navy blue with tomato red. The base color is tomato red. Just see, look at the entire design of the sari. It's very pretty one, and the price, it is definitely pocket friendly, only 1250. Only 1250 with free shipping. But COD is not available for these saris. This is the entire look, and here comes the blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. Moving to the next one. Next one, palla part. This portion is for palla. This portion is for palla, and I will show you the body color. Body color is chocolate with floral buta. Material is Malmal. All are pure cotton Malmal sari. Price is 1250 with free shipping. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Shipping is free all over India, but COD is available only within Kolkata if you purchase 2 saris. For 1 sari, COD is not possible. Moving to the next one. Those who wear saris on regular basis, these are for them. These are very comfortable. See, palla part. This portion is for palla. It is rust with blue combination, and here comes the body part, rust with blue. Material is Malmal. Price is 1250. All the saris having a contrast blouse piece, so this is the blouse piece along with the sari. for regular use with a very affordable and pocket-friendly price of rupees 1250 only. Booking number is 9330866384. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Thank you.